Now, welcome back to the channel. It's Matt, Vic, and the JoJo Lena. And today we hit a gold mine. Ain't that right, JoJo?
That is right, because today we are going to scrap some metal.
So if you don't know who we are a junk removal company. We get paid for picking up trash. And today we're doing a job for an electrician that has a bunch of metal and copper wires. So we're getting paid double today.
Yeah, we're getting paid for doing the job and we're getting paid for the things we are taking away.
So stay tuned for the video. Make sure you smash that like button. Now let's get this money.
We are pulling up to the first job of the day and he found us on a Google search.
So here's all that copper wire me and the JoJo we're talking about, and we really hit a gold mine. And about 40 to 50% of this job is stuff we can recycle. So the first load, we'll do a metal run. Check out all this metal here. Then we'll come back and do a dump run. And then on the last run, we'll come back and grab all that copper wire. Now check out the JoJo. She's so happy now.
So if you want to know how much money we made scrapping all day, make sure you watch the video to the very end. You gotta love junk removal. Finding wood for the fireplace. Free firewood. Look at this copper wire. That is the thickest copper wire I have ever seen.
So just like that, the first load is done. And JoJo, you wanted some firewood, and what happened?
We got firewood. I've noticed that whenever I say out loud what I need or want in my life, almost always the next one or two jobs will provide that for me.
And I also wanted an exit sign for the man cave, and guess what? I got 3 of them.
3 of them, not 1, but 3.
So we got a bunch of metal back here, and what's your prediction of the metal we're gonna get, cash we're gonna get?
Oh, like how much money? I'm gonna say maybe like $80?
$80, I'm gonna say $94.
It's so awesome. It is so awesome to get paid to take stuff away and to get paid on top of it with the stuff you took away.
So leave a comment down below what you guys think. We'll get on this metal run right here.
Yeah, and we'll let you know.
So guess who won? It was $72. The JoJo Lena won.
I did.
And that was just the appetizer. That wasn't the main course, the lobster and steak. We're gonna pick that up on the last load. There's some copper pieces that are as big as the JoJo's wrist.
Yeah, I've never actually seen copper that big before, so I think it's awesome.
So we're heading back to do a dump run, all the trash, and then we'll head back over there and grab the copper wire.
The lobster and steak.
So yeah, let's get it. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. So we're back for round number 2, and we gotta get all this trash out of here. And check out the JoJo. She's already getting it done, getting her hustle on. Now let's talk a little bit of trash with me and the JoJo. And our second load is done, and holy shit, JoJo, there is some heavy ass copper back there at that job, huh?
Yes, it's the most heaviest, biggest copper I've ever seen.
Oh, we coming up. We definitely coming up for real. And February has been the most busiest February we had since we started this business, huh?
It has been a super busy February. But I've discovered it's not really the time of year, it's your weather. So if you start having awesome weather for like a week or two, your phone will start ringing.
Oh, our phone's been ringing off the hook left and right. I'm on the phone with a customer. Another customer's calling. We're lining jobs up. We're doing full loads after full loads. We're doing jobs like this. This is a blessing, huh? It's
a great job.
So the real question, JoJo, what's your prediction of the dump fee back here?
My prediction is 82.
82? I'm going to say 110.
Okay.
And check it out, JoJo. Ain't no one in the dump line. I know you love my voice, right?
Yeah.
What do you think? Hey, you look kind of black right now.
I look black?
You look black.
Am I super dirty?
No, you're not dirty at all. You just look black.
Oh.
Okay, well, whatever. So the JoJo's been on fire for the last 2 weeks. It's 1,300 pounds at $86. What'd you say again?
82.
82? What the hell? She's on fire, guys. Oh my goodness.
I'm always on fire. So we are back for the copper round.
Now, I'm not gonna lie, this is the most copper wire we ever got from a job. Check out how thick this stuff is. Holy shit. We gonna make some killer money on this one for real. Look at this. This stuff is no joke. So now we're all loaded up and heading to the scrapyard to find out how much money we're gonna make.
Yeah, leave a comment down below and do a guess. How much money are we gonna make off of the copper back here?
I'm gonna say between $800 and $1,200.
Oh, that's a big gap.
I don't know. I don't really scrap that much, so I have no idea. So leave a comment like the JoJo said and let us know what you guys think.
Yeah, and keep in mind, it's all profit.
100% profit. I love the trash business. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's roll. So what do you think, JoJo? You want to place a bet or what?
I'm gonna say 1,700.
1,700? I like your bet. So, JoJo, how much money did we make off that copper wire?
$1,130.
That's not a bad day for scrapping. I'm a scrapper now, JoJo. I do believe.
Day. That's a great day.
Plus, we made $72 off the metal run.
Yep.
Plus, we got paid to take all this stuff. We made a killing today, JoJo. For real, huh?
Yeah, today was a great day.
So if you guys like these videos, make sure you smash that like button, and we'll catch you on the next video. And what else can they do, JoJo?
Oh, you can check out our channel membership, because we have a membership that has lots of videos and tips that you get as a member that just regular subscribers don't get.
So we'll catch you on the next video, and keep hauling and balling, baby.